Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to NBCC's Q1 FY2025-26 Investors Earnings Conference Call hosted by ICICI Securities. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then zero on your touchtone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Mohit Kumar from ICICI Securities. Thank you and over to you, sir.
Yeah. Good morning. On behalf of ICICI Securities, we welcome you all to the Q1 FY26 earnings call of NBCC Limited. Today, we have with us the management, Shri K.P. Mahadeva Swamy, Chairman cum Managing Director, Shri Salim Ahmed, Director Projects, Dr. Suman Kumar, Director Commercial, Shri Anjeev Kumar Jain, Director Finance, Shri M.B. Singhal, Executive Director Finance, and Shri Balkishan Singla, Investor Relations. We'll start with a brief opening remarks followed by Q&A. Thanks and over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to all of you in today's earnings call for first quarter ended on 30th June 2025. For quarter one on standalone operation and execution, we have achieved a total operating income of rupees 1655 crore and 2391 crore on consolidated, reflecting an increase of 12% year-on-year on consolidated basis. And our standalone PAT stands at 114 crore, marking a significant 32% year-on-year growth. Additionally, our consolidated PAT stands 135 crore, making 26% year-on-year growth. Order book. NBCC standalone order book is standing rupees 1,05,000 crore and consolidated order book 1,20,000 crore. Business secured. NBCC has secured 2,400 crore on consolidated basis in quarter one. Following major projects secured in quarter one by NBCC. Permanent campus of JNV in various districts, rupees 518 crore. Redevelopment project of MDA Meerut 297 crore. UCO Bank Edasi, New Town, Kolkata 172 crore. Central University of Haryana, Mahendragarh 167 crore. Interior work World Trade Center, New Delhi 152 crore. Township project by NEPCO, Shillong, Meghalaya 131 crore. And our subsidiary HCL got two new government medical college and hospital at Parbhani and Sarli, Maharashtra. Other MOU signed. MOU signed with RailTel and develop data center project in India and overseas for a period of 5 years. MOU with National Film Development Corporation, that is NFDC, for redevelopment of iconic Freeport Auditorium complex in New Delhi. MOU signed between NBCC and Department of Force to redevelop prime government land parcel across India into self-sustainable commercial and residential lots. Business awarded to the contractors. In quarter one, we have awarded 1,703 of new tenders on consolidated level. Redevelopment projects. In quarter one financial 2026 in GPRA Netaji Nagar project, the first phase of the project valued rupees 1450 crore is around 85% completed. And two more projects in Netaji Nagar valuing 2,000 crores have started giving contribution which are awarded in quarter four financial year 24-25 and 1,900 crore more in pipeline to award in Netaji Nagar. Sarojini Nagar. This is the large project and work has been going in 9 packages and now 3 more projects have started giving contribution. So total tally of the running project leads to around 8,000 crore. Amrapali project. For the Amrapali project phase 1, NBCC made significant progress. We have successfully completed 19 projects out of 24 projects taken over with 4 more projects slated to be completion in the next quarter and one remaining project expected to be finished by March next year. In terms of units, we have completed 28,000 units. An additional 7,000 units will be completed in next quarter, and remaining 2,000 units by March 2026. In last quarter, we have shared that we have awarded phase 2 of Amrapali project, valuing of rupees around 9,000 crore of work in different packages. And now these projects have started giving contribution, and upcoming quarters they will have significant contribution in top line and bottom line. In quarter 1, has contributed around 300 crore in top line. In this phase, we have 7 projects for bulk sale, comprising 8,200 units. Out of these, 5 projects with 4,600 units have already been bulk sold. The remaining 2 projects will be sold in the next quarter. This is expected to provide strong funding for the project execution. Thank you. Now the forum is open for the question and answer session.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on their touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Abhinav from ICICI Securities. Please go ahead.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Thanks for the opportunity. My first question is, what is the target for awarding tenders in FY26?
Thanks, tenders awarding. Around 15,000 crore.
Okay. My second question is, the EPC revenue fell by about 16% year on year. This is due to the Maldives project nearing completion. Are there any replacement projects lined up? And similarly, real estate also saw some sharp fall in revenues and profit. If you can throw some light on these segments, and as well as overall FY26 revenue target.
EPC contract we are trying. Yes, definitely we are going to get some more EPC projects which are in pipeline. Regarding real estate, we are going to start our 3070. 3070 tender in process. So that we will going to hoist within a week time. And we are trying for our Jaipur. We have 3 land parcels. One tender already we are awarded and approval is in process. So the rest of the 2 land parcels in Jaipur that we are going to start. And of course we are planning our Gitani land. So that is also going to take place. Regarding sale of real estate, Bhubaneswar, I think during this year we will going to get the complete inventory will be going to sold in Bhubaneswar as well as Lucknow.
Understood. So my last question is on EBITDA margins. The margins improved 100 bps year on year on standalone basis. How much of this is sustainable? I mean, is the company targeting 6% plus margins for FY26?
Definitely, EBITDA will be more than 6 to 6.5%. We are targeting 6 to 6.5%.
Thank you, sir. That was helpful. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Anjali Bajaj from Naredi Investment. Please go ahead.
Hello, good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity. My question is regarding to with the consolidated order book of the 1,20,300 crores. What is the expected revenue recognition timeline for the significant portion of this order book? And are there any specific large projects within this order book that are anticipated to contribute substantially to revenue in coming years? Will this include the completion of flagship projects like Amrapali Phase 2, Supertech, or any challenges you may face?
The top line current year we are expecting around 14 to 15,000 crores. And phase 1 we will going to complete by March. Phase 2, of course, after 7 packages we have started and the work is in full swing. And the sale part also we have completed for 4 projects. There's 2 projects in pipeline. So once the sale is over, then the major challenges in Amrapali is generating funds. These projects are self-sustainable projects. Here the government budget funding is not coming. So that's why the timeline is a little bit more, we are considering 3 to 4 years. So otherwise, for PMC project, we will complete within 2 years.
Okay, sir. And my second question is regarding to real estate segment experienced a significant decline in both revenue and profit. Could you provide more details on specific real estate project that impacted this decline, and what are the company's strategy to revive the growth and profitability in the real estate segment for the remaining of the financial year 26?
Real estate, we have 2 inventories currently. We have in 2 projects we have an inventory. One is in Lucknow, one is Bhubaneswar. So Bhubaneswar, hopefully during this quarter or next quarter, we are going to finalize. The sale will be completed in the Bhubaneswar, and of course Lucknow also in process. Some major clients, they are in negotiation going on with major clients. Around 325 to 350 crores selling value we are expecting during this year in the real estate.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Venkatesh Subramanian from Logic Tree Consultants Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Good morning, sir. My question is for the next 3 years. I think in your earlier calls you had said that FY26 we would obviously do about 14,000 odd crores. Can you give us an idea for FY27 and FY28 what the revenue trajectory looks like, considering that we have a 1,20,000 crore order book? And I think you also indicated that our order book at some point of time should go towards 2 lakh crore. Can you just give us some update on it, sir?
This year 14 to 15,000 crores. Next year there will be 18 to 19,000 crores, and 27, 28 around 25,000 crores. And the order book we are expecting currently, the discussion is going on with various state governments for their redevelopment. Along with some major PSUs, they have huge land parcels. So the discussion is going on. Once it is finalized, we'll definitely let you know. Recently, we got redevelopment projects with Indian Postal Department. They have a huge land parcel across India. We have signed an MOU. That value has to be ascertained. So once the estimated is submitted, DPR has prepared, so we will came to know that. So during this year, minimum business we are expecting around 20-25,000 crores, but it will be more than that because various state government we are discussing is in final stage. One is Rajasthan state government, another one is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand. So we are talking with them because they have huge land parcel or old depleted townships. So they don't have money to reconstruct. So this is the better model than PPP model because in PPP, any builder comes, they are expecting some profit margin. In this case, we are taking our PMC and whatever profit is there, that will pass on to client. Just like World Trade Center, we have generated more than 14,000 crores in just 25 acre land. So similar model, this model can transfer to various state governments and even for PSUs also. Lot of PSUs are incurring huge loss or they are paying interest. But they have huge land potential. So that we are going to redevelop. This is our main target also.
Okay. So is it fair to assume, sir, over the remaining part of the year, we will start hearing more MOUs, more order flows starting to getting executed, basically? Or in terms of getting the orders?
Yes, definitely. I think next 2-3 years, our order book will be more than 2 lakhs.
Okay. Then another question is, if you are assuming something like 18 to 25,000 crore top line, I understand that based on PMC and other things, the EBITDA margin works out to 6%. But you had also indicated that we will, at some point in the next 2 years, you will do a sale of real estate property or a land or something which will give additional income. So broadly, we were factoring in about 1,800 to 2,000 crores of profits because 6% from PMC and the real estate. Something that you mentioned. Can you give us an update on that, sir?
Definitely. In the year 27-28, the bottom line will be around 2,000 CR. So top line is 25,000. Around our PAT will be somewhere 7 to 8%. It may cross also because our overheads are fixed. Our overheads are our salaries. Once it is fixed, it is break even at 5,000, 5,500 CR. More than that, whatever we are doing, it will come to our bottom line.
Okay. Any update on the Delhi colonies redevelopment, sir? You were talking to the Delhi government?
Yes. Already discussion is going on. So I don't want to discuss presently. So we have a discussion with MCD. MCD is having huge land parcel. Even Delhi Development Authority also, we did the one Kakaduma project. Now the phase 2 work we are going to get. Already MOU is there. So we are going to start phase 2 also. They have some old company. It is in depleted condition. That also they wanted to do in redevelopment model. So discussion is going on, and any moment we can get this order. We're going to receive this order shortly.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thanks. I'll join the queue. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Divyam Doshi from Pragya Securities. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Please go ahead.
So, sir, my question was, we have a very massive order book. So, when are we expecting to roughly finish the entire order book?
4 to 5 years, we can say. In redevelopment, we need at least 4 to 5 years, because in redevelopment, not many issues are there. One is approval, the other one is vacation of the quarters. So redevelopment model will need 4 to 5 years, whereas in PMC project, we are competing less than 2 years also.
Okay. And sir, my second question was, can you give us a geographical distribution of where the major projects in the company are?
Presently, the major orders are in Delhi and NCR only. Amrapali, we have around 8,900 crores. And in 7G colony, Delhi, we have around 15,000 crores order. And Maharashtra, recently we got Mahapreet, 25,000 crores. J&K satellite, Bemina satellite redevelopment, that is around 15,000 crores. So across India, we have future projects. Currently, we have the projects, running projects, I can say in Delhi NCR. And even Northeast also, we are getting some orders, border fencing and Oil India, hospital work and all. So recently we got some 10 schools in Ekalaga Modern Residential School in Chhattisgarh. So that tendering is going on. We got recently South also, Bangalore. Earlier we don't have any work in Bangalore. Recently we got Rajiv Gandhi Health Mission work. So we are securing all over India. We are focusing on all over India. Goa in advanced stage, redevelopment of Goa projects, already consultant appointed is over. CPR is on final stage. We are going to call tender either this quarter or definitely next quarter.
Okay, sir. And my last question is, you are expecting a top line of between 20 to 25,000 crore in the 27-28 year. So what are you expecting the EBITDA margin to be in that timeline?
EBITDA 8 to 9%. 25.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Tanmay Pabrani from Nuvama. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity. My first question would be on the order book split between PMC and redevelopment.
PMC around 92%. So, PMC. And redevelopment is 40 to 60%.
Okay.
In the segment-wise, 43% PMC, 57% redevelopment in standalone basis. Whereas consolidated level, 51% PMC, 49% redevelopment.
Got it, sir. So the next question would be on the guidance for order intake and order awarded for FY26.
26, we are going to award around 15,000 CR. We are targeting to award 15,000 CR minimum. This is minimum conservative figure. So, and we are expecting minimum 20,000 crore business development during this year.
Great, sir. And sir, any status updates and wanted to know about the top 10 projects right now which are in the order book along with the value of those projects.
One is 7 GPRA colony, that is redevelopment of 7 GPRA colony, Netaji Nagar, Sarojini Nagar. Of course, Sarojini Nagar completed and 100% we have sold the commercial space. So the rest of the thing is Amrapali, second one is Amrapali, third one is J&K, Mahapreet, some Odisha, Cuttack. Odisha also we are doing good business. Recently we have awarded Central University Cuttack work, work also awarded to the contractor. Northeast we are doing good job. DTC, Delhi Development Corporation work due to lack of standing committee, work awarded 1 year back, but we could not start. Now the standing committee has formed and approval is in process. And DVC in Kolkata and Durgapur, Damodar Valley colony, we are doing residential colonies. These are all the major projects. And one more thing, we are successfully completed that overseas project, our Maldives project almost completed. Next month we will going to hand it over. Recently our Prime Minister inaugurated that building during his visit to Maldives. So that we have successfully completed. First time in Maldives we have constructed with my1 shuttering. Before that they used to do conventional method. Now they are using the my1 shuttering. 2000 mass housing project successfully completed, and recently Honorable PM was inaugurated that building.
Got it. Congratulations on the overseas project, sir. Just the last question on the data aspect, sir. What are the pre-sales that we're targeting for the full year and seed money and cash in our books as of now?
My Director Finance will answer.
The seed money is concerned as on book 30th June 2025, it is 661 crore of rupees. And some 20 crore interest is also there. And mostly seed money is related to the Amrapali project.
Hello? Hello?
Actually, the current participant got disconnected. We would move to the next question. The next question comes from the line of Jainam Jain from ICICI Securities. Please go ahead.
Thank you for the opportunity. So my first question is, what are the major execution challenges are we facing, and how are we dealing with that?
Major challenges is basically arranging fund in redevelopment projects, and of course getting statutory approval clearances in redevelopment projects. So these two we are addressing because earlier in Amrapali, the challenging arranging the fund was the major challenge. So we sold the inventory through channel partner. To overcome this challenge, what we did this time, we called a bulk sale. So bulk sale, the builder has purchased the inventory and they are paying. So that approach we addressed. Similarly, in 7 GPRA, the tree transplantation was a big challenge. Now we got the clearance also, some encroachment was there. So that encroachment through court we have settled. Around 300 families we have shifted from here to in the other areas. We have given the compensation to them. So these are all the challenges we have faced, and we overcome by using our strategy.
Okay. So we are guided for 20,000 crores of order inflow in this FY26, and in Q1 we were able to drag only 2,000 crores worth of projects. Are we seeing any delay in project awarding?
Pardon me? Are we
seeing any delay in project awarding?
No. We are doing it. Last year, highest awarded in the history of NBCC, we awarded more than 20,000 crore. So currently our running project is more than 32,000 crores. So that's why we are going to execute easily 14 to 15,000 crores. We are targeting for this year.
Okay, sir.
There is no issue with awarding work.
Okay, sir. So the next question is, out of 1.2 trillion of order book, what percentage is executable in FY26 and FY27?
We are on 32,000 crores. Standalone 32,000 crores is there, running project.
Sir, do we,
Hello? You are not audible. Hello?
am I audible right now?
Yes.
Sir, my last question is, do we have any slow-moving projects in order book?
We are in discussion with going on with MCD and various state governments. At any moment, slow moving project. We are expecting with the various state governments redevelopment projects.
Okay, sir. That answers my question. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Thank you. Before we take the next question, we would like to remind participants to press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Tanmay Phabrani from Nuvama. Please go ahead.
Sorry, sir, I got disconnected. Just wanted to seek a status update on the Supertech and Ghitorni projects.
So, regarding Ghitorni project, so we will go, the appointment of consultant is in process, and during this year, flag end of this year, next year we will going to start this project. Regarding Supertech, the matter is in sub judice, which is with the Supreme Court. As soon as it is finalized by Supreme Court, then we can take up this project. We have already appointed our consultant on board. So we waiting the decision from Supreme Court.
Got it. Hopefully you get that, sir. And last,
we have read the articles. All the members wish to their demanding even Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, and Chief Justice of India to give this work to NBCC. That is the good part.
Yes, absolutely, sir. Just want the last update on the cash in our books as of now.
Surplus cash in hand in our book is, as of 30th June 2025, is 460 CR.
460. Yeah, all right. That is it from my side, sir. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you. A reminder to the participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Pankaj Kumar from Kotak Securities. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so thanks for taking my question. Sir, question pertains to the PMC segment. We have seen a little flattish kind of growth, though we are targeting the full year revenue of around 15,000 crore on consolidated basis. And so, can you help us with the execution? What impacted?
First quarter, you might have seen other PHs also. In Northeast, actually this time, Northeast region and even Uttarakhand, due to heavy rain, we could not do execution work in that part. And our Maldives work is going to complete. So therein we got some less revenue from Maldives. Anyhow, Amrapali already started, and 7 GPR also. The clearance part is over. We have awarded the contract, but the permission and the drawings and all, that also now over. Now work is started. In the current quarter and next quarter onwards, we will go to definitely increase 20% increase.
And sir, on the standalone basis, earlier you indicated we are expecting around 11,000 crore revenue. So that's the right number?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, on the 7 GPRA project, what value of the contracts yet to be awarded, and what we are planning to do in the coming year? Coming quarters.
Around 4,000 crore work has to be awarded. 2 tenders are in the preparation. We are going to call by this month end only, and 2 more tenders by this quarter end. Hopefully this quarter end. So 4,000 crore work is ready to call of tender.
And sir, in terms of total tenders that we are targeting to award, roughly 15,000 crore on conservative basis, you said that's our consolidated number. So what is the number on the standalone?
Standalone, around 12,000 to 30,000, we can say.
And how this number will look like for next year on both console and standalone?
Next year, I think minimum 20,000, 20 to 25,000. Because we are expecting J&K, due to changing government, the approval is got delayed. Now everything is on fast track. Similarly, we are going to get the order from, we are going to award this Goa government. The consultant has already prepared the DPR. So we are going to call the tender from Goa. So Mahaprit also, we are arranging funds wherein we need seed money. Actually, basically, Mahaprit is getting delayed due to sanction of seed money. So today we have a meeting with the Mahaprit. The MD will be reaching here. We are going to talk with ADCO and all other financial institutions. Once the money is arranged, then definitely that is 25,000 per order. So we are going to award that also.
Okay. And sir, my last question is on the margin. So in this quarter, we have seen, despite a little lower execution, the PMC margin was higher. So any one-off in that?
So Amrapali and 7 GPRA, the PMC margin we are getting 8%. Plus some marketing percentage also we are getting. In these two projects, we are getting 1% on sale components. There we are getting good profit margin. That's why we are getting good margin.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the last question. I now hand the conference over to the management for the closing comments. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Just to update you that the redevelopment projects from state government and few CPSCs, negotiation and discussions are at an advanced stage. We are pleased to report that our self-evaluation for MOU financial year 24-25 in line with DPA guidelines indicates a strong likelihood of achieving an excellent rating consistent with our performance in the year 2023-24. Some of the projects mentioned in my opening remarks may be large-scale MOU, but their exact value are still assessing as we are currently in the process of finalizing the detailed project reports. A huge thanks to all of you, valued investors, for your consistent support to NBCC. We appreciate your trust and confidence in us. Once again, thank you, everyone.
Thank you. On behalf of ICICI Securities, we conclude this conference. For any further query or information, please reach out to Mr. Balkishan Singla, Investor Relations, NBCC. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.